Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku.co daily analysis for the S&P 500 for the trading day ending Thursday, January 30th, 2014. Well, the buyers have returned to the market today following a very large black body candle testing the support at 1775, and if you recall, just recently three trading periods ago, that support came into play again, and the market has bounced off there, buyers coming in quite strongly today. We can see here previously it was fairly strong support, and prior to that resistance, so a very important level for this market. Now, with the buyers coming into this market, we have the buyers taking control away from the sellers and also changing the trend to the upside. We have a candle with a higher high and a higher low. Only problem here for the buyers is the 1800 round number level of resistance and the top of the cloud. And if you recall, yesterday I mentioned that was had potential to be a very strong area of resistance, and we can see that there was some rejection from that area, as evidenced by the small shadow on the top of this candle. Moving forward, that will be an important area. 1800 round number is going to be crucial to this market if this trend is going to continue, and with the next candle we have the top of the cloud at exactly that level, so it strengthens the amount of resistance there. Now, even if the market does trade up above there, we do have strong resistance at the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen, which are trading at 1809, and they're both in the same area, so very strong resistance around there, and just above there 1813. So the buyers will need to build on the momentum that they established today to the upside to breach those areas. Now, it's not impossible, it is a possibility, and if the market does approach the 1800 round number level in a strongly bullish manner, then we could see the market testing at least up to those higher resistance levels and even beyond. Now, just looking at the Fibonacci extension, and we're examining the relationship of the new first time frame uptrend to the previous time the market's trending up, and here we've seen the market testing to the 78.6% level and being rejected from there, so that does suggest a possibility of a change of trend. Combined with the resistance of the cloud around that area, it does raise some doubt about whether this trend will continue to the upside, but the short-term dynamics are not really telling us a lot. The buyers have very firm control of this market for today's trading. Now, in terms of Ichimoku, still a neutral market in big picture terms, with the market still just closing within the cloud and suggesting that we don't have resolution in either direction with the clear-cut trend. What we'd like to see is a bullish breakout up above the Ichimoku cloud to give us a bullish market in the long-term time frame again, and then we'd want to see follow-through up above this 1813 level. In terms of the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen, the market is trading down below both the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen, and that suggests that we have a bearish market in the medium and fast-term time frames. But looking at the Kijun-sen, that's pointing flat again, and price action is being attracted back towards there with today's trading, and this suggests a possibility of the market trading up through the round number 1800 level of resistance. In terms of the Chikou span, that is below the corresponding price action, so it's suggesting that there is some negative momentum in this market, and it's supporting the bearish bias that we have in the short term and medium term time frames, and suggesting that if this market possibly does rally, then we could see the sellers come back in again and for the market to trade down. But we can't preempt the market. I think we need to be very wary here of this 1800 round number, and with this strong resistance at 1813, I'd be much happier if we saw a bullish close up above 1813, and if we do see the market build or the buyers build solid upside momentum in the next couple of candles, we could then eventually see the market testing the major high again. But we can't preempt the market. This market has sold off substantially through the 1800 level, and that really is going to be crucial other than the 1813 level for the next couple of days trading.